February 10th, 2010. I'm outside waiting for my shot of the snowblower. This stuff is just not to be believed. The wind is swirling. I don't know how well this camera captures it, but it is blizzard-like conditions here. People are driving near whiteout. Turn around into the wind. And up that way, you can see that, well, I don't know what you can see, but that's sort of kind of a road. I'm going to walk up this way a little bit. You can see that it's been a while since they've sent anything like a plow or treatment down this road. I'll turn this off for a sec. I'm up here at the four-way intersection where the kids take the school bus in the morning. That is when there's school. You can see that there's nothing plowed. That's a street sign there, partially buried. There's the way into the neighborhood, if anything were moving. And that road goes down a hill, and who knows when anybody down there will be able to get out. The wind, like I said before, is swirling. All in all, an excitingly awesome winter blizzardy day.